Wow. I am in a mother magazine. Can you believe that? I don't think you heard me in the magazine. Hi, how you doing? I'd like to welcome you. Thank you for taking your time to make it back to Easy Vegan Snacks. Today, we're about to make some good shit. But if you didn't see last week's video when we were Susie Baby making vegan dinner for two, you can't go any further. You gotta go back there. I'll pop it up over here, over there. Check that video out first. So what we're gonna make today is meal plan, meal prep, your favorite on Instagram. I know y'all love it. Everybody's into, for some reason, eating the same thing repeatedly, numerous days in a row. For me, personally, it's not my favorite thing, but I always love a good challenge. My cameraman is looking to become vegan, so what I'm gonna do is take the ingredients that he's purchased, make him a meal plan or meal prep that will last him about 2 to 3 days. So, without further ado, I'm medicated, hope you're medicated, hope you're ready. Let's get it. Alright, so today we are making 3 days worth of food with the lovely ingredients you have seen just now. So I got very medicated and I figured, what can I make using what he's brought? And I'm gonna do some home fries, soft potatoes, sauteed bell peppers, maybe some green onion in there. We're gonna do a warm or cold, however you wanna serve it, Brussels sprout salad with asparagus, and we're also gonna do some lettuce wraps. So we got a ton of good food, and I think the bill was only like under $25 for all these great ingredients. So first things first, in the chef world we say mise en place, which means everything in its place. So we are going to begin our prep. Bell peppers, julienne, 1/4 inch. Then we're gonna cut the ends of our asparagus off because they're bitter. Cut our potatoes in half, so they're about 1/4 inch in size. Then we are going to cut the Brussels sprouts in half because we're going to poach them. Wash our lettuce, and then once it's washed, we're going to cut the ends off, trim it up nice so we can stuff it for our lettuce wraps. Now it's time for us to blanch our asparagus. We're going to blanch it for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and get our rice on. I have a pot in the back that's already started to boil. The brown rice cooks probably about 15 to 18 minutes-ish. Just taste as you go. We'll figure it out. Time to take the asparagus out. So now we're going to poach our potatoes halfway, part cook them, so then we can saute them the rest of the way. Alright, so according to my clock here, it's been about 18 minutes. The brown rice should be done. We're going to get that off, drained, and then we're going to get our potatoes off and drained as well so we can get ready to start our home fries. I'm going to add some of this coconut oil. Anything from coconut is healthy. Adding the oil or fat at the end of the cooking process is actually the healthiest way, but I'm going to add a little at the beginning because I like it crispy. We're going to get our pepper sauteed on the side. So now we're going to saute our Brussels sprouts here. Lovely, super beautiful. Get them into our pan, medium-high heat. All right, let's get those sprouts flipped. And now, ladies and gentlemen, comes my favorite part of each episode where we get to season our food with salt and pepper. Y'all know my motto, man. If you know somebody that says these 2 things aren't required in their food, beautiful. Let's give them a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna get our pepper seasoned. Alright, so now what we're going to do is deglaze our pan, and we're going to get our water into the pan, and we're going to let our Brussels sprouts braise a little bit in that liquid. Just a few minutes. we're going to deglaze these home fries. We're going to put a little water in that pan, get a vegan bouillon cube in there. So a bouillon cube is probably what your mom used back in the day to make like a broth or soup for you. Just a cube that is like condensed broth. These are gluten-free, vegan, extra lit. You drop one in, it gives a lot of flavor. For our lettuce wraps, we've already washed our lettuce. We've cut the ends off. Now we're going to store it in a Ziploc bag. Squeeze the air out. Done. So now our sprouts have braised. The liquid's just about gone. We're going to deglaze with some balsamic vinegar, and then we're going to put a little bit of cracked pepper and agave syrup on there. Now we take our beautifully blanched asparagus and we're going to add that to the sprouts. The dressing is going to be olive oil, agave syrup, salt, and a little bit of turmeric. And I'm just going to top it with a little green onion, and just like that, one dish done. So our potatoes have cooked until soft. I want to show you guys how they're supposed to look. Half whole, half soft. This is the texture you want. This is the consistency you want. Delicious. Let's get them out. Just like that. Meal number 2. Done. Alright, now we're going to get this meatless ground beef cooked. This is literally going to take us 2 minutes. Alright people, so for our lettuce wraps, the reason we put the lettuce in the Ziploc is because keep this in the fridge, super crispy, and we're going to put our beefless ground beef and our rice in this container so that we can just take spoonfuls of each and put them right into the lettuce wrap. Let's get the meat out. We're going to take our brown rice and we're going to get that seasoned. Hit it with a little turmeric. Now we got to hit it with a pinch of salt. And let's mix in some green onion into this. And then, once done, we're going to spoon it right in next to our ground beef. And look how beautiful everything looks. Do you think it would be too difficult for you to take time out of your day to make these amazing courses? It's super simple. Can you do that yourself? Ask yourself in the comments below. Let me know, yes or no, if you can do it. As usual, I would like to thank you with all of my heart for coming, because somehow we're very close to 1,500 subscribers. The goal I have, one of my affirmations is to be 5,000 subs. 5,000 subs come fall. Come Halloween, I need 5,000 subscribers. So if you got an auntie, a mama, whoever does the cooking in your family, if it's you, tell a friend. Tell somebody who needs to eat better. Tell somebody who needs meal prep. Tell somebody who needs vegan meal prep. Tell anybody, because it's healthy, it's pretty, it's gonna get you dates, and it's gonna keep you in the game. You're eating beautiful, colorful, delicious foods. You already know, it's your boy, Dsession. Until next time, people, make sure you stay awesome, stay healthy, and stay medicated.